Here we got the first load of shale coming in. As you can see, we got maybe 3 feet we need to build up on this bank to connect to the existing driveway here, which is going to probably fan out then to bring it out into here. But that's good because we kind of need a larger apron on this to be more accessible to hit it on a turn with another vehicle or a bigger truck. Coming from here down and around the bend here and up to behind the house. Where that excavator is sitting down there is about where the house is, so we'll have 2 turns to get in behind the house. That allows for some privacy and also keeps the approach not being too steep. I think it's going to work out well. So what we are hammering away at were the rocks right here. Here's one, there's another one over there. Pretty big rocks. They were, you can see the pieces here that came out. They are both right on this front, where this front footer was going to go. We did not plan to do the footer now. The reason we did it is because we had the equipment on site, and when we saw that there was rock, we wanted to go ahead and dig down and make sure we could clear through these rocks. So when we come back and cut in the footers, we don't have to do the jackhammering. This is that lower shelf where we'll have the equipment and the upper crawl space over here. And we will, after we're ready to get started in the second phase, come back in here, cut in, and form the footers. Up here we've got the shell brought down the driveway to behind the house with a lot of room right now to have a couple vehicles in and potentially small area to turn around. And that's what we've gotten done. And from here on out, we're going to wait till we start phase 2.